If you've been involved in an accident and you have an appointment to see a lawyer, that first meeting is going to be the most important meeting of your case. Hi, I'm Stephen Goldstein. I'm a personal injury lawyer in New York and New Jersey. And what I want to talk about today is how do you prepare for that first meeting with your personal injury lawyer? There are many types of personal injury cases. I'm going to go over the two basic ones. Whether you're involved in an automobile accident or involved in a trip and fall, what should you expect at that first meeting with your lawyer? And what are some of the things that you can do so you can best prepare for that first meeting? Well, at the first meeting with your lawyer, regardless of the type of case you have, it's important that you understand what type of case that you were involved in. If you're involved in an automobile accident, think about what are some of the important things that you would like to let your lawyer know about. Well, the first thing is, how did the accident happen? So if you could get a copy of the police report, that's really important. Secondly, you should come with photographs of your car and any other car that may have been involved in the accident, because these are very important in helping your lawyer determine if the way you describe the accident happened is accurate and whether he's going to be able to prove your damages at a later date. Third, if you were able to obtain the names of any witnesses at the accident scene, it's a good idea to bring that to your lawyer, if you're able to do it. Names and phone numbers of any of those people. Fourth, if you've been involved in any other accidents before, whether it was an automobile accident or whether it was a trip and fall, and you had medical treatment for those accidents, it's very important that you make your lawyer aware of that fact, and if possible, come to that first meeting with your old medical records at best, or at least if you could come with the name and address, and preferably the phone number, of either the hospital you may have treated at or the doctor that treated you. For a trip and fall, it's the same thing. The most important thing in a trip and fall for a client is to actually know what happened. A lot of clients come to me on a trip and fall case and I ask them, what made you fall? And they say, I don't know. Well, if you don't know what made you fall, that could be fatal to your case. If you do know the area where you fell and what caused you to fall, it's very important for you to get a picture of that location as soon as you possibly can, whether it's you or a family friend. Same thing if you had a prior accident. It's very important for you to tell your lawyer about that and try and bring any medical records that you may have from that other accident, as well as trying to remember the name of the doctors that you treated with. Also, a lot of people have accident cases and go to a different lawyer the second time. It's really important for you to bring that information to your new lawyer and let them know the name, telephone number, and address of the law firm that handled your prior case. This is just a basic summary and an outline of the things that you should probably bring to that first meeting with your lawyer to make it as productive as possible. The screen that follows is going to summarize the things that we went over. 1, a police report. 2, any photographs of your car or of the accident scene. 3, any medical records of any other accidents that you may have been involved in. 4, the names and addresses of any of the doctors that actually treated you in those other accidents. And 5, if you have had any prior lawsuits for personal injury, the name and address of those lawyers. I hope this video was helpful to you, and of course you can telephone me or email me at the number and the email listed below if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching.